Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of Fortune Developer new launch project Venetian located in Andheri West. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel. You can also see the main road and the neighborhood of the project. And in this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms, if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And this is the actual land parcel of the project where you can see the construction is in full swing. And now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.24 acres that will have a standalone tower of ground plus 19 story, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. And now, talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located near Veera Desai Road, Azad Nagar, from where SV Road is only at a distance of 1.1 kilometer. Infinity Mall is only at a distance of 2.3 kilometers and you have Western Express Highway only at a distance of 2.9 kilometers from the project. And now, talking about the amenities, this project has clubhouse, world-class gym, spa, banquet hall with outdoor dining area, yoga and meditation zone, indoor games, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now, talking about the configuration and carpet area, as said, this project has 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences with 2 BHK in the carpet area of 544 to 616 square feet and 3 BHK in the carpet area of 905 to 921 square feet. Also, for pricing, brochure and other details, you can click on the link mentioned in the description below. And now, talking about the booking process, the booking windows for this project will open soon. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Venetian by Fortune Developers located in Andheri West.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.